Hi guys, it's Christine. Just wanted to give you a little tip. I paid $4 for a lot of pictures. I went to Walgreens and I collaged onto a 4x6 4 pictures. On another one, I did 6 2x2s. They're really small and they fit inside of, the 2x2 pockets. But like I said, I fit like 9 pictures on one 4x6. This one I kind of wasted space, but I was just trying to see how many I could fit on this one in particular. And you'll see here, this one is 4 pictures to one 4x6. So I get a chance to, like I said, I got, I don't know how many sheets. Let's see, 11 sheets for $4. Not bad. And I print it every single day up until I believe yesterday. So I'm able to do all my December daily with just a little bit of money because I ran out of ink on my Canon selfie. So like I said, I got 11 sheets, 11 4x6 collage sheets, and I got a lot of pictures, probably from day 12 all the way through to 22. Yeah, so guys, you can go to Walgreens. It's a good deal to do the collage. I got that tip about 2 years ago and I love it. So I made some 3x4s, but for the most part I put a lot on each page, like the ones that I didn't need very big, and then some of these are really tiny. So yeah, it's just a tip and a sneak peek. My December daily, my video will be up tomorrow, so you guys could enjoy my, I think it's week 3 of December daily collab. All right guys, see you later. Hope you're enjoying the holiday season. Merry Christmas. Bye.